In the shadow-dappled enclave of Pinecliff Lake, where the scent of pine mingles with the crisp highland air, there hides a gem that redefines rustic living, the transformed log cabin of the Hawthorne family. Just a few steps inside and the whisper of the breezy lake mixed with the gentle creak of rich cherry wood underfoot confirms that this isn't just any renovation. It's a symphony of natural harmony and sophisticated design, orchestrated to the tune of modern living. Welcome to a journey through a dreamy log home that masterfully marries tradition with contemporary style, blending seamlessly into its forested backdrop. Initially, the log home presented itself as a quaint, albeit slightly worn symbol of rustic architecture. Post-renovation, it stands as a testament to the miracles of modern design thinking. Architects ingeniously increased the size of the common areas and elevated the ceilings, enhancing the sense of space without diminishing the cozy log cabin feel. The introduction of high, exposed beam ceilings not only invites more natural light, but also allows guests to experience a liberating, airy atmosphere, an architectural nod to the expansive nature outside. The use of real stone veneer on strategic interior walls introduces an earthy texture, connecting the indoors with the rugged outdoors. At the core of this rustic retreat lies the newly designed kitchen, once dim and enclosed, now a vibrant hub of culinary creativity and communal dining. With sleek granite countertops resting on reclaimed wood cabinets, the kitchen exhibits a refined aesthetic that respects its rustic roots. The dining area, set against panoramic windows, offers mesmerizing views of the lake and surrounding forest. The strategic positioning of the dining space not only enhances meals with scenic views, but also utilizes natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. The bathrooms showcase a delicate balance between natural elements and modern comforts, the natural world through material and color palette. Carefully chosen lighting fixtures cast a soft glow, mimicking the serene ambiance of a forest at twilight. The juxtaposition of raw materials with contemporary designs in these spaces invites homeowners and guests alike to indulge in moments of peace and rejuvenation. The master bedroom extension respects the existing aesthetic, yet amplifies comfort and space. Incorporating floor-to-ceiling windows not only magnifies the breathtaking vista, but also paints the room with the changing light of day, reflecting the time and mood of the natural surroundings. The decision to use rustic cherry wood for the flooring and artisan-crafted furniture pieces adds layers of warmth and personality, transforming the bedroom into a personal sanctuary that feels both expansive and intimate. Integration with the environment is key in the redesign of this log home. Landscaping is done with native plants, and outdoor living spaces are crafted with materials sourced from the surrounding areas. This careful consideration ensures that the home not only resides in the landscape but is a part of it. The terraced garden and stone pathways echo the natural undulations of the terrain, guiding residents and visitors through a tactile exploration of Pinecliff Lake's exquisite flora and fauna. This log home transformation in Pinecliff Lake is more than a renovation, it's a revival. It celebrates the essence of its origins while embracing the comforts of modernity, creating a space where every corner is a tribute to the art of rustic elegance. Walking through this home is like walking through a living storybook where each chapter is meticulously crafted to enrich the narrative of luxury, comfort, and ecological harmony.